Okay? Very well. All right. So this time we're going to start working with your research. But don't worry, you're not going to do or you're not going to implement your research yet. But you are going to plan or you will plan to do to work kung unsa inyong buhaton sa inyong research output dayon. So this time we're going to do or we are going to have an actual research formulation. Okay, so how are you going to formulate your research? Question based on your problem. Okay, so first is by choosing your area of interest kung asa mo pwede, software development, networking, IT management, and multimedia, you can create or you can think something, a problem, or you're going to encounter to plan or to encounter a problem that you can address on. Okay? So, by doing the software development, para asa man imo pwede nga mga solve mo problem. Networking, multimedia, and IT management. Now, karon lisod kayo nga sige na ta mangitag problema. Daghan na kay problema sa inyong balay, right? Daghan na kay problema sa inyong love life, daghan na kay problema sa inyong ah, sa inyong family. But this thing is not a problem that you are going to solve just for fun. Kanang sana para lang sa kuan, para lang sa inyong human health, human development. But this time, you're going to solve a problem to make or to exercise your professionalism. Meaning, pag-study ta ani because this is the things that you are focusing. Kahit mo man ninyong gi-enroll ang pagka-IT. Minsan ninyong pagka-receive sa title sa BSIT kung dili mo makabuhat og research. So anyway, that problem is not really a problem for akuan nga problem kana bitaw mandatory or required nga problem, but a problem for you to develop or to enhance your academic or your professional focus. Okay? So, you're going to think a problem. I know daghan na kay problema, pero think a problem that you can solve. Na pwede niyo masolbaran. Kay tanang problema, pwede man masolve. Okay? So, you can think a problem that exists in this real world. Take note, real life problem. Ayaw mo kuan sa mga problema nga dili bitaw pwede nato solusyonan using IT solution. IT solution, that software development, networking, and whatsoever. Okay, example, you're going to make a problem nga klaro sa imong duol, sa imong community. Okay? So ayaw magbuhat og problem nga kana bitaw unsaon pag-teleport, unsaon paglupad sa isa ka spaceship, unsaon pag-adto sa Mars, unsaon pag-adto sa universe, unsaon pag-explore sa mind, unsaon pag-control sa mga tao. That is not equal nga problem no sa tuang course karon. But a problem that can be addressed with an IT solution. Okay? So for example, you're going to make a program or a system, building a software. Okay? So gusto ka magbuhat og software. Now, we're going to seek or you're going to have what are the challenges and efficiencies that they facing. So, mangita mo og isa ka organization. Unsay problema nila ana nga pwede ninyo solusyonan by building a software. Okay? Did you get my point? Can I get a like if you understand? Okay, you're going to think something nga kanang unsay mga pwede niyo mabuhat. Okay? So, you can investigate a real world problem where the problem exists. Example, in our local school, you notice that in rural areas meaning kanang lugar nga dili kayo tawhanon or dili kayo gamay ra kay tao. Example is kanang sa mga province nasa bukid-bukid na or kanang nasa baybay gabit kanang medyo wala kayo tao. Now, in rural areas sa mga eskwelahan sa diha nga mga lugar, they're using pen and papers. Okay? By using pen and papers, meaning sulat-sulat lang, it can lead to delay, meaning dugay kay siya, kay sulaton man, and errors. Kasagara sa pagsulat, masayop. Instead nga John, ang kasagara nga John yun is J-O-H-N. Pero ang ilang pagsulat is J-H-O-N. Ang uban po J-O-N-H. Okay? Sa pagsulat pa lang daan, it will lead an error. Okay? So as a software developer, what can you do for that problem? Nga para dili na siya masayop or para po dali na. Example, pag type nimo dyan, automatic mo correct na siya. Automatic mo retrieve na sa mga data. So as a software developer, what you can do? Okay? So pwede mo magbuhat o mobile apps na dito na mag-input. Pwede mo magbuhat og software na dito na mag-input. Okay? You can think something like that. So, meaning, pwede ninyo buhaton unsay or pwede ninyo obserbahan unsay nasa inyong palibot. You can solve or you can address those issues or those problems by doing something as a software developer. Okay? Next is, in real life world, na ay isa ka remote area. Again, remote area is kanang layo tayo malisod at tuan. Where signal or internet signal is weak. Now, as a networking practitioners or networking enthusiasts, gusto mo mag-study sa network, sa'yo mo pwede mabuhat ana nga problema. Mao na siya ang problema. So, kung sa'yo mo pwede mabuhat ana, think something. And by thinking on this problem, you can think something new. Okay? For example, yun, nakatumos Malaiba, right? Kanang mag-jogging mo. By the way, sa Malaiba, hinadyo kay signal na to. So, ingon nila, it's just putting a tower there, a satellite tower, para mo strengthen ang signal. Pero, dili na siya inana kadali nga magbuhat lang ka og signal or mag-implement lang ka dato tower para makusog ang signal. But there's a lot of problem that you're going to encounter. And as a network enthusiast, unsa may imong pwede ma-address ana? Okay? Dili kay dito lang kabutang tower. Pag butang nimong tower, unsa pay imong i-consider ana? Ang kana din nga process can be considered as research na dayon. You get my point? Very well. Okay? So there's a lot of possibilities or problem that you can address. Example lang na siya. Okay, so as a enthusiast or gusto mag-multimedia, okay, katong kiosk akong giingon or games or whatsoever. Now, here's a problem. Kay experience mo being a freshman or freshman, being a freshman or baguhan sa isa ka eskwelahan, unsay iyang buhaton pag abot sa eskwelahan? What are the things they need to do? Like for example, unsay buhaton day kung wad ko freshman ko? Okay? So, wala siya idea. Now, as a multimedia enthusiast sa kiosk, unsay imong mabuhat ana? Ana nga problema. Okay, so you can think. Example, pwede mo magbuhat og kiosk in front sa gate nga naa dito tanan information. Unsaon pag-enroll, unsaon pag-adto ani nga building, unsay mga teacher, unsay mga available services and whatsoever inside of the school. And kanang pagbuhat ana can be solved by viewing ang multimedia research. Pero ang pagbuhat ana that will address to this problem is a research na dayon. You get my point? Can I get a like if you understand? Okay? So, in IT management or IT strategic planning, IT management, example is kung nag-adto ka sa mga daycare center, daycare center, kanang mga mura sa eskwelahan sa barangay or sitio, where is they can live their kanang mga toddlers. Then, ang mga teachers ana are mga volunteers. Gara sa mga volunteers ana nga teachers, mga old age na, kanang gitawag nila retired teachers, mga senior citizen nga gusto nun din motudlo. Okay? So, mo na siya ang senaryo. But they are using traditional materials. Like for example, libro nga kaan. Now, an IT management, what can you do? Okay, so si teachers, si seniors, butang ka lang, senior citizen siya nga teacher. Dili siya kabalo mag-computer. So, as an IT management, what you gonna do? So, maybe you can train or you can have a plan to train those teachers nga mo ni ang buhaton, tudluan sila unsa ang paggamit sa mga tablet, sa laptop. So, ang kanang pag-design nimo sa plan, that requires a research para ma-address na nga solution. Para na ma-address na nga problem. You get my point? Can I get a like if you understand? Okay? Wala mo nagbuhat og software, wala mo nagbuhat og device. Pero nagbuhat mo plan to enhance the IT skills of this teacher. And that can be considered as a research for IT management or IT strategic planning. Okay? So, in order to consider your problem, para dali mo makakonsider yung problem karon, you're going to have your first client. So, unsay problema nila sa client? So, take note, naay gitawag na to client or kanang asa ta pwede makapangutana para ato makuan address kung unsa ba jud ilang gusto or unsa ba jud ang naa sa ila. Example, gusto mo magbuhat og enrollment system, mo din imong gusto. But making an enrollment system is very broad or dagli ra kayo or daghan kayo kinahanglan i-consider nimo. Pero if you're going to make an enrollment system for a specific client, you can have an actual need for them kung unsa gyud ang ilang gusto nga solution. Okay? So by choosing or by selecting client, you can have the actual needs nila. Next also, you're going to consider nga kanang imong problem is accessible ba? Meaning, pwede ba ninyo na siya maistudihan? Kay because magamit mo og mga data nga kinahanglan sa inyong client or sa inyong gitrabahuan. Okay? Example, you're going to make a mobile apps for an enrollment system. Now, magbuhat mo mobile app, pero wala mo'y data or unsaon ninyo pagbuhat sa mobile app, kung wala man mo'y idea kung unsaon ang enrollment system. So therefore, you should or you can have a client settings for you to gather the data. Kinahanglan nimo. Okay? Then, your problem also dapat meaningful siya for your solution should be significantly meaningful para ma-improve jud ang solution sa inyong client or sa inyong settings. Example, you're going to make a software para sa isa ka hospital. Okay? Kanang hospital ninyo is your client. Now, the problem that arise from that hospital so dapat naamoy client or dapat naamoy settings na inyong mafokusan kung unsay inyong mabuhat paraan. You get my point? Can I get a like if you understand? Okay? So, that's the things that you need to do in our research na to karon. Okay? So, you can identify your research topic. Okay? So, by the way, research topic is all about your focus or your area of interest. Software, networking, multimedia, or the IT management. And based from your research topic, you can draw your problem. Kung saan yung gustong i-solve. By doing those things, you can learn or by doing a research, dagan inyong matunan na dayon. You get my point? Can I get a like if you understand? Okay? Okay. So, let's proceed to our kuan. By the way, any questions about your kuan, your research area of focus? Sir, kinahanglan ba jud may magbuhat og software? As a researcher, mo man jud ng inyong mo man jud ng atong aim is to address a problem. How can we address a problem if we're not going to develop a software? Okay? So, in a software development, we need to develop a software para ma-address na nga problem. And that is the software development in the field of research, in the research na field. Now, a problem ninyo is to enhance the literacy, ang kahibalo sa mga teacher. So, you need to have an IT plan. So, dili na mo magbuhat og software para makakuan sa ila, pero magbuhat mo plano unsaon pagpa-enhance sa ila. Example, you're going to design a seminar, you're going to design a lesson para sa ila sa mga teacher. Okay? So to address that problem, it requires a research na dayon. You get my point? Can I get a like if you understand? Okay? So that's why, if you notice, kung na may kaila nga mga fourth year students karon or kanang ga-undergo sa gitawag nga capstone project, they're using or they're making or developing a software. Gabuhat sila og software because ila man tong gi-address ang ilang problema nga ilang problema. So, don't worry, by doing those things, you can learn a lot of you can learn a lot. Example, maka-enhance mo unsaon jud pagbuhat sa program o sa mga networkings. Okay? So, let's proceed on how you're going to have your problem. By the way, our midterm exam will be on last week. Pero we don't have a written exam, but we are going to do a actual research presentation ninyo. Okay? So before that, for a while guys let me have a 5 minutes break lang for a while lang dyan. Let's continue this in 9:15. For a while lang Balance lang kaya to